Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Professor Hassan and you are watching my channel Professor Hassan Hamayu. Dear students, today I will discuss a very unique question for interview, and that is the difference between R square and adjusted R square. Actually, both concepts are used for checking the goodness of it for the regression model. R square tells us the variation in the dependent variable y that has been explained by one or more independent variables. If R square is equal to 0, it indicates that no variation in y has been explained by all independent variables. If R square is equal to 1, it means that 100% variation in y has been explained by all independent variables. It ranges from 0 to 1. Both are included. And I will give you the example. If y is production of rice, it is our dependent variable, and x1 is number of waters, x2 is number of plow, x3 is seed quantity. Then if, for example, r square is 0.57, then what does it indicate? That can be asked in the exam. 57% variation in the production of rice has been explained by number of water, number of plow, number of seed quantity by these three independent variables. And 1 minus 0.57, that will be 0.343. 43% variation is not explained by the independent variables. Now I will tell you the drawback of R square. Actually, for example, R square is 0.57 and I include one more independent variable in the model. If it is not significant, it is insignificant. Insignificant means it is not contributing in the production of rice in the value of y, but R square will increase. For example, it will become 0.61. That is wrong. It should not be increased for the insignificant variable. And what is the function of adjusted R square? It adjusts the value of R square based on number of observations, small n, and number of predictors, independent variables, k. It will increase only for those independent variables which are significant, which are contributing in the value of y. For example, in the same example, if we include another independent variable which is insignificant, then it may be possible R square, adjusted R square will be 0.54. It may decrease. So what did you learn? R square tells us the variation in y for all independent variables, but there is a drawback of R square. If we include any insignificant variable in the model, it will increase the efficiency, the goodness of it of the model. That is wrong. And adjusted R square adjusts the value of R square. It will increase for only those independent variables which are contributing in the value of y. Must comment on today's lecture. Assalamu alaikum.